One success story that I think of is the Feed the Lions program at the Leo Hayes High School here in Fredericton. There was a presentation done at the Parent School Support Committee, the PSSC committee, and at a staff meeting where public health nurses and dietitians went in to speak about the issue of hunger and the impact of students being hungry and their ability to learn. A dialogue started, and within a very short time frame, a number of community partners came on board, and businesses from around the north side of Fredericton started coming on board and saying, what can I do? This is a huge issue for families on the north side of Fredericton. What can I do? So, we even had, for example, our auto body shop say, we heard about this, we're concerned, how can we help feed children at that school? Well, they decided to undercoat people's cars for a really good price, and 100% of the profits went to the Feed the Lions program. Initially, the nurse in the school was trying to feed about probably 50 students a day, but not every day. She didn't have the capacity to do that, so it was 2 or 3 times a week. She was feeding maybe about 50 students, tip of the iceberg. What happened was, and with the support of all the community partners, we were able to go to feeding about 150 students 5 days a week. Even students that were not requiring the Feed the Lions program per se, but they became aware of the need to take care of our community, and they realized there are people sitting right next to me in my homeroom class that don't have food. There have been so many other spin-offs that have come from that. It seems like kids are taking more pride in their school, and really there've been some stories of students saying, I can't believe that people in my school care this much about me to make sure I get healthy food every day. So it's that whole school connectedness piece, the whole mental fitness piece that we didn't know initially when we thought about feeding hungry kids that would be a part of it. Absenteeism has decreased. There are more students attending school on a regular basis, and some of the students that they were, repeatedly missing a number of days are now showing up to school on a more regular basis. So there have just been so many benefits well beyond the nutrition aspect of it. So it had such an impact, and I remember my daughter graduated from that school last year, and I remember at the graduation ceremony the valedictorian speaking about this particular teacher, and I get all emotional when I talk about the impact that teacher had on the whole school community.